Guys, today I'm leaving Bangkok, going back to Sydney for a month or two. So I'm spending some Christmas and so on. And hopefully I will document my traveling events while I'm away. But I'm going to miss Thailand so much. Guys, we'll talk to you later, huh? I'm going inside to departure. There is a lot of people leaving, and I tell you, I'm regretting it going back to Sydney. I love Thailand. Sometimes you have to. I've got a bit of work in Sydney to do, and then spend the time with the family and so on. Part of life, huh? Can't have it all. So there is the airport, and yeah, check you later. Come a bit early, but getting thirsty, so I gotta get some water. And yeah, I'm leaving in 3 hours. Let's see where I can find some water. Yeah, I've got a bottle of water. Cup and cup. So thirsty. And let's go check it out. Go upstairs again. That way. Yep. You get lost sometimes. But it's all good. And there I'm going to level 4 departure. Guys, I'm truly gonna miss Thailand. I don't know what to say. I'm really having these stomach aches and cramps and all that. I really don't want to leave Thailand. But when you have to, like I said earlier. But so it's just Thailand is a sickness. When you come to it, you don't want to leave it anymore. So you need to make sure you're always up to it till when you leave. Like me, I've been now 3 years, I think, in Thailand, and truly I don't want to leave. And I don't know. I would like to go to some other places, but not Sydney. I don't know. I feel like I'm going back home, but at the same time, hey, don't know. It's very strange feelings. Coming soon. So get ready and yeah, here we go. Here I come, Sydney, guys.
In the sunshine, light up my world. Your smile is like a melody. It's like a sweet serenade when you're around. My heart skips a beat. You got that rhythm that makes me move my feet. Your touch is like velvet, so soft.
This journey begins high above the clouds as I fly from Bangkok to Sydney, leaving behind the bustling streets of Thailand for a visit to my home city of Parramatta. The sight of the clouds below reminds me of the time and distance that separate my past and present.
In the sunshine, light up my world. Your smile is like a melody. It's like a sweet serenade when you're around. My heart skips a beat. You got that rhythm that makes.
Welcome to my journey through the city of Parramatta, Sydney, a place I once called home. In this film, you'll walk with me as I rediscover a city transformed where memories of my past meet the striking changes of today. From the old church that sparked my photography journey to the bustling streets filled with towering buildings, I'll share my reflections on what's changed, what remains, and how it all feels after being away for 5 years. Along the way, I'll revisit some of my favorite spots and explore the heart of this ever-evolving city. Let's begin.
This is my first visit back to my city of Parramatta after 5 years away. As I stepped out of the train station, I was shocked to see towering buildings that weren't here before. It felt surreal. This place I once knew so well now feels almost unfamiliar. I paused for a moment to take it all in, the sounds of the traffic, the rhythm of people moving, and the sight of buses weaving through the streets. It made me think about how much has changed in my time away. Is it for the better or worse? Honestly, I don't know. As I walked through the streets and under the railway, I couldn't help but reflect on how much the city has grown. These tall buildings stand as a reminder of progress, but I wonder, what does it mean for the people who've lived here their whole lives?
Big buildings, concreted, and I don't know how many floors, maybe 50 floors or so.
I had heard about the new metro project in the heart of the city. It's supposed to connect Parramatta in ways we've never seen before. My goal today was to see it for myself, so I made my way toward the tram line. This is just the beginning of my journey exploring what Parramatta has become. Stay tuned as I dive deeper into the changes and stories of this ever-evolving city.
Library there.
As I moved further into the city, I found myself drawn to one of my favorite memories, the old church, where I began my photography journey. Back then, it was my practice ground, the place that sparked my love for capturing the beauty of old buildings. Standing in front of it again, I felt a sense of home. But even as I admired the church, I couldn't ignore how much the city around it had changed. What was once open and welcoming now feels like a concrete jungle, modern, yet somehow empty. The connection to the community I used to feel seems to have faded. For a brief moment, watching the pigeons take flight in front of the church brought me a sense of happiness and freedom. It was like stepping back in time, if only for a few seconds. Continued my walk, exploring the new streets, hoping to find the coffee shops I used to visit. Those little places where I'd get my daily dose of caffeine before heading off to my favorite spots around the city. I wondered if they were still there, waiting for me, just as I had remembered.
Looks actually nicer. I thought will be something not nice, but it looks good and nice. Beautiful. And of course, people they come all over. They got the whatever music festivals happen here, and a lot of I don't know, some religion organization they come here as well, and there's free snacks watching for 3 minutes. What is that?
Free snack for 3 minutes with you. Hello.
Hello to you too.
Let's do it.
And what are we gonna do there? That is the tram, but it's not existed before in Parramatta. So here it is, tram in Parramatta. So it's done really nice, the way it's done. And goes all around the area there. Okay, nice. Guys, Parramatta changed, and like you see, this part here of Parramatta was not existed, and so I'm gonna go to the end if I can see any coffee shops whatsoever, and yeah, but looks like, I don't know, I like the beginning of it, but now I really don't like it. So, and there is all the coffee shops gone. No more coffee shops there. And restaurants not there. And she pointed so much about this area here. I don't know. Yeah. Wow. It was a fun place to come to, and a lot of restaurants I used to come here. There's no more. It's all finished. Wow, haven't seen these phones for some time, and here it is. I found them in Parramatta. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you're gonna watch the more episode about Australia, gonna be publishing soon. Talk to you later.